Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Steve's Bio Simplified. Today we are going to practice some important questions from chapter Photosynthesis in Higher Plants. Here we have a set of 10 questions today. Okay, let's get started. Let's see our first question. C4 plants are more efficient in photosynthesis than C3 plants due to option A higher leaf area, option B presence of large number of chloroplasts in the leaf cells, option C presence of thin cuticle, option D lower rate of photorespiration. C4 plants are photosynthetically more efficient than C3 plants because C4 plants contain two types of chloroplast, that is bundle sheath chloroplast and mesophyll chloroplast. So such plants operate a dicarboxylic acid cycle in addition to Kelvin cycle. CO2 acceptor molecule is present in large bundle sheath cell which has higher efficiency in picking up CO2. Thus, photosynthesis continues even at low CO2 concentration and the rate of photorespiration is also negligible. So the right option is B. Okay. Next question. In C3 plants, the first stable product of photosynthesis during the dark reaction is option A malic acid, option B oxaloacetic acid, option C 3 phosphoglyceric acid, option D phosphoglyceraldehyde, option C 3 phosphoglyceric acid is the correct answer for this question. Next question. Of the total incident solar radiation, the proportion of PAR is option A about 60%, option B less than 50%, option C more than 80%, option D about 70%. The source of energy in all ecosystem is solar energy. About 50% of the solar energy incident over Earth is present in PAR and the right option is B less than 50%. Next question. As compared to C3 plants, how many additional molecules of ATP are needed for net production of one molecule of exo sugar by C4 plants? Option A 2, option B 6, option C 12, option D 0. In C4 plants, every CO2 molecule has to be fixed twice. So these plants are needed more energy for the synthesis of exo sugar molecules than C3 plants in which CO2 has to be fixed only once. 8 ATP molecules are required by C3 plants for the synthesis of one molecule of exo sugar, while 30 ATP molecules are needed by the C4 plants for the same. Thus, C4 plants have a need of 12 ATP molecules extra than C3 plants for the synthesis of one molecule of exo sugar. So, the right option is C, that is 12. Okay, next question. PGA as the first CO2 fixation product was discovered in photosynthesis of option A bryophyte, option B gymnosperm, option C angiosperm, option D algae. Exposure of photosynthesizing algae to radioactive carbon dioxide was followed by tracing the fate of radioactive carbon atom. It was shown that the carbon first binds to a molecule of ribulose 1,5 bisphosphate, then immediately splits forming two molecules of phosphoglycerate. Thus the correct answer is D, that is algae. Okay, next question. In photosystem 1, the first electron acceptor is option A cytochrome, option B piastocyanin, option C an iron sulfur protein, option D ferredoxin. Photosystem 1 is an integral membrane protein complex that absorbs solar energy and mediate electron transfer from plastocyanin to ferredoxin. Ferredoxin is the iron containing sulfur protein which is the first pigment that accepts electron. The PS1 system comprises more than 110 cofactors, significantly more than photosystem 2, and the right option is C, an iron sulfur protein. Okay, next question. During photorespiration, the oxygen consuming reaction occur in option A stroma of chloroplast and peroxisomes, option B gran of chloroplast and peroxisomes, option C stroma of chloroplast, option D stroma of chloroplast and mitochondria. Photorespiration is the process that occurs in C3 plants. In this process, peroxisomes, chloroplast and mitochondria take part. The oxygen consuming reactions occur in peroxisomes in stroma of chloroplast, while CO2 releasing reactions occur in mitochondria. And the right option is stroma of chloroplast and peroxisomes. A is the right answer. Okay, next question. Cyclic phosphorylation results in the formation of option A NADPH, option B ATP and NADPH, option C ATP, NADPH and O2, option D ATP. Option D ATP is the right answer for this question. Okay, next question. Stroma in the chloroplast of higher plants contains, option A, light independent reaction enzymes, option B, light dependent reaction enzymes, option C, ribosomes, option D, chlorophyll. Photosynthesis occurs in two phases, light dependent reactions and the light independent reactions. The light dependent reactions is catalyzed in the grana of the chloroplast, leading to the formation of assimilatory power of ATP and NADPH. These are then used in the light independent reactions, also called as the dark reaction, in the stroma of chloroplast. The enzymes for the dark reaction are present in the stroma of chloroplast. Hence, the correct answer is light independent reaction. Option A is the right answer. Okay, next question. Carbohydrates are commonly found as starch in plant storage organs. Which of the following 5 properties of starch, that is A to E, make it as useful as a storage material? Option A, easily translocated. B, chemically non-reactive. C, easily digested by animals. D, osmotically inactive. E, synthesized during photosynthesis. The useful properties are option A, B and C, option B, B and D, option C, A, C and E, option D, A and E. Carbohydrates are commonly found as starch in plant storage organs. It is chemically non-reactive and osmotically inactive polysaccharides of much greater molecules weight. Carbohydrate performs a vital role in living organism. Starch and other polysaccharides serve as energy storage in plants, particularly in seeds, tubers, etc., which provide a major energy source for animals, including humans. So the right answer is B, that is B and D are the useful properties. Okay, so that's it for the day, guys. Hope you guys learned something. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Happy learning. Thank you for watching.